Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we finally cross the state line into Bristol, Virginia. We're on US 11E concurrent with US 19 and US 421, and once we're in Virginia we pick up State Route 381 as well as temporary truck routes for US 11 and 19. A few quick facts about Bristol, Virginia. This is a separate municipality from Bristol, Tennessee, as they're in different states, but they are otherwise treated as a single city with a shared downtown area, the state line running down its main drag, State Street, which we just crossed. Bristol, Virginia is an independent city, not in any county, although it's surrounded on three sides by Washington County, Virginia. US 11E here is called Commonwealth Avenue, referring to Virginia being one of the four divisions of the United States that's called a commonwealth rather than a state, which doesn't really mean anything, and Virginia is no different than any other state in terms of laws, politics, or relation to the nation as a whole. State Route 381 becomes Interstate 381 about a mile ahead, although we'll be turning off before that happens. Here we approach a junction with US 11W, which, along with US 11E, comes to an end. US 421 turns left, ending that concurrency. State Route 381 goes straight, and we turn right onto Euclid Avenue, the US 11 main line, along with US 19. This is a major change in scenery as the highway becomes a divided, tree-lined residential street with one lane of traffic in each direction. Note that this is the southern terminus of US 11 in Virginia, so for our purposes, the mileage we list in our video titles going forward will be based on the corner of Euclid and Commonwealth being mile 0. We turn left out of the residential area and onto what looks more like a highway. we cross I-81, which we'll be seeing a lot of for most of the remainder of this series. Here, US 58 runs concurrent with I-81, but we'll see US 58 one more time a few miles up the road. We conclude our video at mile 5.5 as we leave the city limits of Bristol and enter Washington County, Virginia. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.